What's good, YouTube? This your boy Sharky252. Just finished working out, collabing on a video with the big homie right here, Fast Fit Entertainment. Let me show him the. Yeah, please go follow the homie, man. They produced and edited my video. Super clean video. Appreciate it, man. It's out here. The weather's nasty, but we still out here, man. I should have recorded us working out, but it's all good.
Don't see them?
Oh yeah.
Don't see it.
Got the chargers lined up like we somebody.
Cause we are. Cause we are. Oh yeah.
What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Sharky252 bringing you another video. Real quick, I was going to talk about the future mods, I guess, that I may be doing to the car, or thinking about doing to the car. First off, let me say, RT Life, my goal is to try to save money, bro. You keep coming out with these videos about these different things that add to the freaking car. This damn pedal commander. I didn't know anything about a pedal commander until I started looking at your video. I just finished watching RT Life's video, or his review of his pedal commander, and it's a couple other guys I actually subscribe to. I didn't write down their names or anything, but they purchased the pedal commander, they use it, and I'm impressed, so I think I'm gonna invest in it. Another 300 bucks. Thanks, RT Life. The other idea that I had, I've actually been thinking about this probably since last year, and that's in regards to getting a wrap done on the car. A few of my friends, when I mentioned that I was thinking about getting a wrap on the car, to my homie Fast Fit Entertainment, I mentioned to him yesterday that I was thinking about getting a wrap done on the car, and his first reaction was
No! What? No!
because, of course, if you're a subscriber, you already know I have a Destroyer Gray Scat Pack. And if you're new to the channel, yes, I have a Destroyer Gray Scat Pack, and it's, it's a super dope color. But you know what I'm saying, I'm just trying to like change up some things to, make my channel stand out a little bit more. Try to get some more subs coming in, more views rolling, I do appreciate all my subscribers that's been rolling with me so far. And definitely shout out to you guys. Definitely just trying to come up with something to change it up a little, make it stand out. Just be like the same Scat Pack Charger on YouTube. What color that I want my wrap to be, but it was super hard trying to narrow this thing down. And I was on YouTube all day yesterday, on YouTube all night, searching for the 3M, the 3M wrap, the ones that change colors, the mattes and all that good stuff, and the gloss. I researched it all, and I reached out to a guy out in Louisville, Kentucky. He does wraps, and I found the one that I think I'm gonna go with, and I'm still debating whether or not I'm gonna pull the trigger on it. Other dilemma is I had my mind set on a particular set of wheels I wanted to put on the car. I had this bright idea of getting a wrap. I want to make sure that those same wheels counterbalance, or I'm trying to think of the right word to put. they go well with, you know, they accent the wrap, so the wheels and the wrap will go together. I actually sent a screenshot to the guy that does the wraps out in Louisville. I sent him a little short clip of what the wrap I wanted, and then I sent him a screenshot of the wheels that I was looking at getting. 2 different styles of wheels I was thinking about getting, and his response was like, that's gonna be tough. As far as it's hard for him to even decide or make a decision. But other than that, just waiting for this weather to finally like even out, because we got pounded with rain here. I want to do a wrap. I'm definitely gonna get some aftermarket wheels. I still need to buy the taser and the damn pedal commander. I was like, man, I'm kicking out money, bro. Already. I'm just trying to set aside some money so I can do my thing, and there goes RT Life, smiling and grinning. And I could tell, I watched his videos before, and RT Life would, you know, hit the gas. I could hear the rumble of his RT, but today when I watched his review of that pedal commander, his car was a lot louder than it normally is.
What? My car sounds like a goddamn animal.
So that, I'm like, wow, that's pretty impressive. Wrap, taser, and this damn pedal commander. I thought I was done, man, and this pedal commander just gets added to the list, so that's another $300 added on to it. So I want to win some more car shows, you know what I mean? I got the feel of some car shows last year, and I won a couple of them. Those with just my stock Scat Pack. I didn't, you know, I just had, I mean, basic. I didn't have anything extra really done to it to make it stand out more. I think more than anything, the paint color, the Destroyer Gray, won those trophies for me. But I think if I get that wrap done and put those wheels up here, it's gonna change the whole dynamic of my car. That's pretty much all I got. If you think I should get a wrap or I shouldn't get a wrap, I want you to put it in the comments below. Give me your opinion on it. You know what I mean? Because it's more of a thing where I really don't care about the wrap too much, but at the same time I want to get it only because I'm trying to make YouTube my part-time job. You know, I'm just keeping it real. Like, I'm trying to make this thing work for me instead of me working for this. You know what I mean? I'm trying to make this car work for me, and if it's going to be in my best interest to turn YouTube into my part-time job, then so be it. I gotta play to win, and that's how I was raised. You know, you're gonna play to win. So let me know what you guys think, if I should get it. It's gonna be half and half. There's gonna be some people that say, yo, pull that trigger, man. I can hear the homie MDG Collections right now saying, bro, go ahead and pull the trigger, go ahead and do it. And then I can see a lot of my other followers like it is. Maybe upgrade your wheels. That's about it. All my subscribers, all my new subscribers, thank you very much. And thank you to Stunner Reese for looking out and helping me boost up my subs. I really needed that. And we're all striving to get to 1,000 subs. I'm almost halfway there, so I need another. I'm at 474 right now or something like that, so I'm doing all right. But if you haven't, if you're not following me on IG, I'll put my IG link right here. It's at Shaka252, just like the YouTube channel. Coming weekend is the Arnold Classic in Columbus, Ohio. So the next video you get from me will be coverage of me at the Arnold Classic, and I was there last year and I had a time of my life. Just ready to get out there and see what's going on. Like MDG Collection says, ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap. I'm out.